Hi everyone, my name is Abdulaziz and today's lesson is about the word interface office part 8 of 13. We learn inserting line break and how to ignore, and also we learn about ignore all. First of all, open Microsoft Word Office, and if I just wanna enter my name, and maybe my surname, and also my country, where do I live, maybe my city, town, okay, it would be, and my when I was born. Okay, now that's my information, but it's not real. This is my name and this is my surname, and if I want to make line break, just wanna move insertion point and also my information, and just wanna click enter. And now I just click -K for many times, and if I click enter K, it's automatically add line. And if I want to add another line to my document, I just wanna bring insertion point to my name and my surname, and just wanna click enter and enter and -K for many times. And if I click enter K, as you can see, it's automatically add line. And now, how to ignore your word. To make it ignore, okay, I just write my friend's surname, for example. Maybe it could be Roshanov, and when I click enter, it says incorrect. But when I right click to this word, there isn't any suggestions. And this time, I just wanna click ignore. When I make it ignore, they, and if I write a lot of surnames, for example, and maybe, and now there is a two incorrect word. Another way, if you just right click to the word, and if you click ignore, it makes one word correct, and if you click ignore all, it makes all word correct. Also select this again, just delete it, and wow, right click and purpose ignore all. It's just same thing, but some difference with ignore and ignore all. We will talk about in the next lessons. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment about lesson, and see you next time. Bye.